Once upon a time, in a very small village, there was the market day. It's Friday in the morning. Let's see what happens.
Banana, lemon.
Here, the best fish of the country. Fresh fish.
Big red apples.
Good morning, can I have 2 apples, please?
Yes, here you are.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hello, are you going to buy some with your mom?
Yes, we are here to buy some fruit.
And you?
I have the basket. Ladies and gentlemen, the music's on the market. Look at me! And the drum and the fruit. I like drums. I like drums. Listen, what is that noise? Oh, it's a sound of a dragon. A dragon? What's a dragon? I am hungry. Hey, quick run! Yes, run! Oh, it is big! No, it is very big. Oh, this is a dragon. Here, there is some food. Let's have lunch. Look, the dragon is gone. Oh, look at my apples still on the floor. Look, and the chair in the table. What's that? It's my flute. It's a dragon. It's very bad. Give me the lemons here. Put the apple here. Thanks, children. Here you are. Oh, thank you. Look, mother. Oh, this is nice. Good. Now, go and play. dragon lives in my forest. So come. The dragon lives here? Yes, I live in this cave. The dragon is bad. I don't like it. No, the dragon is not bad. It is a good dragon, but it's like apples and music. Here, the cave of a dragon. Give me the apple. What are you doing? No one there. Please be careful. I can smell apples. I can smell red apples. Here comes the dragon. Run! Help! Look at the children. Make the children. The dragon is dancing.
Okay, and this is the end of the story. The dragon is not bad. He is very friendly. Aquest és el final de la història. El drac no és dolent, és molt bon noi. Us heu de fixar, abans de saber si una persona és dolenta o és bona, parleu amb ella. A veure, potser podeu ser amics. I sisplau, un gran aplaudiment als nens i nenes.